Keep going. Each step may get harder, but don't stop. The view is beautiful at the top. Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. So today, well, first off, let me just back up just a minute. Y'all, I'm sounding a little rustled and hoarse in my voice. I don't know if I'm coming down with something or what. I got this eye right here, this right eye. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's red. The nurse at my school, I let her look at it. She said maybe allergies or whatever. I'm just praying to God I'm not getting pink eye. Okay, so I'm not going to get all into talking about stuff that's not related to the video. So, you guys, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, what in the world are you waiting for? I'm going to give you time right now. We're going to pause, and you're going to subscribe, and you're going to hit that bell. So every time I make a new video, you'll get notification, and you won't miss a single one. Okay, so pause. Now that everyone is subscribed and have hit that bell, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be an outfit of the day, but this outfit of the day, I'm going to do a little different. It's going to be like an outfit of the day slash how to put an outfit together. So not only am I going to show you what the outfit is, I'm going to also explain to you what I put together and why. Kind of creating an outfit from square one, basic essentials, all of the above. So anyway, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna have a picture of me in this corner, I think. Yeah, this corner. As I put the outfit together. So I'm gonna start off with a basic pair of black pants. As you guys are putting your wardrobes together and we're building wardrobes and creating outfits, black bottoms is something very essential because you can make so many different looks out of it. You get a lot of wear and get your money's worth. So today I'm gonna be working with a pair of skinny leg black pants, and they come in at the bottom, so they're skinny leg. As you can see, it's fitting me above, and they're high waisted. I love high waisted items because I'm a curvy girl, and high waisted items just, I don't know, it just does something for the waistline. It just makes it appear slimmer, and it just kind of gives you that hourglass like shape that I love. I'm tall, so I definitely adore, just love, love, love high waisted items. So these right here are like, it's like a stretch. It's like maybe a polyester blend and has a stretch to it. Everything I wear has to have a stretch. By the way, I love stretch. Cannot leave home without my stretch. I just love the, I don't know, I just need that extra room and that extra stretch over these hips and thighs. Come on, girls. You guys that are curvy, you know how it is. It gives you that perfect fit when you have that stretch. So these are just a basic pair of black skinny leg stretchy pants. And I would suggest that you have your skinny leg pair, especially this right here is like a work week outfit. I also have wide leg and maybe like a boot cut just to start off. Maybe if you don't have three pair, you can have the two, like I said, maybe skinny leg and a wide leg. And you will be just, oh my goodness, amazed with how many looks you can get off of a pair of skinny leg black pants and a pair of wide leg black pants. As you can see, I have on the skinny leg black pants. Of course, I have on my waist train. I can't never leave home without that. So anyway, we're starting off with the black skinny leg pants. So I decided this is a work week outfit. Skinny leg pants, they fit me a little bit more fitted. So I kind of lean more toward long jackets, blazers when I wear skinny leg pants. So today I'm going to be wearing this. I'm going to pair it with this gray, which this right here is I would say a basic color. Gray, black, white, khaki are kind of basic colors that you can get several different looks out of. Because I absolutely love this jacket. It's long. I just love the detailing of it. It buttons down the front. The buttons are large. I love large buttons. It has a collar, and it has this quarter length sleeve, and then it has a flare to the sleeve. How adorable is this? So it flares out, which I think makes it extra feminine and extra girly. Um, the jacket has these little gathers in it, which I love right around the waist area. And it has pockets. You guys, you can find a jacket or blazer with pockets. Oh my goodness, it's just so stylish. I love pockets. A lot of times I put my lip gloss in it, or um, it's just really handy and really trendy to have pockets on your blazers and your jackets. The lining is black. I have had this blazer for a long time, you guys. I probably would never get rid of it as long as the fabric holds up pretty good. It's made of like a linen fabric, really nice for the cold weather. I love the length. I think looks really good with skinny jeans. So check it out up here. You're gonna see me put the jacket on with the skinny leg pants, and in the office kind of business look, it just automatically gives you, and that's what I love. Me working in the office, I want to look professional. It's something about a blazer and a pair of skinny leg pants that makes you look so professional. Look like, oh my goodness, I know exactly what I'm doing. And so I decided, you guys, to add a scarf. Scarves are so stylish. Right now, with the weather being cold, it could just add a lot of flavor to your outfit and warmth. And what I like about this scarf is it's plaid. I love adding plaid scarves. I don't know, it just kind of adds this pattern, this print just kind of takes this outfit to the next level. This one here is black, and then it's white, and it even looks like some gray is in it. And then I love that pop of color, which is red. So you can do a lot of things with this scarf. You can wear this with so many different things: white, black, red. I mean, you throw this scarf on, and then it's one of those scarves that is it's extra wide. So you see how wide it is. It is in a circle, and you can just kind of, as you're gonna see what I'm gonna do in the video above, I'm just gonna put it around my neck, and then I'm gonna double it and just kind of fix it in the front, so it just kind of hangs in the front. I think it makes it really extra stylish and extra chic. You can do the scarf so many different ways. This is just the way I chose to do it for this particular outfit. So as you can see above, how it just took this outfit to the next level. Loving this color combination, the gray and the black, and then the scarf with the pop of red, I thought looked really, really good. And then what I did was, I have a pair of booties, and I just call them my work booties because they're so comfortable. You ever had a pair of shoes that you wore so much, but you just refuse to throw them away, and it's like they're so comfortable. Like I said, I wore them so much, so they stretch to fit my feet, and they're made out of this suede material. You probably have seen these booties in a lot of my videos. They just kind of tie up, and they have like the chunky heel. They go so good with everything, and I'm telling you, they pick up a lot of dust and lint, but I just wipe them off and keep it going. Love the russet suede look that it has. Like I said, I have gotten my wear out of these, and I just continue to add them to outfits, and I love the look. I added this Kenneth Cole purse. It's just a black leather purse, square. It has the chains and stuff hanging from it. I absolutely love this purse. You can get so much wear out of it. Everyone needs themselves a black purse. This is great for the office, great for every day, goes with everything, and I absolutely love it. So this is my complete outfit of the day. How to build an outfit. Hope you guys love the outfit. Make sure you tell me in the comments below what you think and how you like the way I did this outfit of the day. Did you like the way I do it when I just explained how I build it from scratch, or tell me which way do you prefer the most, because sometimes I do it with music and I just want to switch it up for you guys. But you guys, thank you so much. I hope you like it, and this is my outfit of the day, work week outfit of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I love you, my YouTube family.